Hello, today we are going to talk about Unity Bank Business Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Unity Bank Capital Business Loan. Having minimum turnover more than 1 crore to 500 crore. Co-applicant age should be between 24 years to 65 years and 18 years to 75 years for co-applicant. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 700. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount minimum 10 lakhs to 50 lakh. Tenure will be 18 month to 36 month. Rate of interest will be 18% to 22% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 2 days for sanction and 3 days for disbursement. Foreclosure charges will be 4%. Processing fees will be 2% of the loan amount. Part payment is not allowed. Business registration proof is mandatory. Co-applicant is mandatory in case of proprietorship concern female co-applicant mandatory. Business vintage should be 3 years. Processing will be offline. Ownership proof is required, either office or residence should be owned. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of you grow capital business loan sale dip up to 70% can be considered if DSCR 1 no foundation of no of loan running. Location will be 50 km from branch. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are school, advocates, bhattawala, share traders, gym, tour and travel. No specific product for professionals. Required documents. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year bank statement of applicant. Last 2-year Form 16 of applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders, if applicant if company or list of partners if applicant is partnership LLP.